My name is Rob Hausrath. I'm with Bison Turf Equipment, based out of snowy Buffalo, New York. My family started Bison Turf Equipment 35 years ago when we saw the need to bring high quality equipment that delivered efficiencies to our customers to help them perform their work faster and easier. We first discovered Orec while on social media. We saw a very interesting video of the snow Rhino in action, and it seemed like it would be a great tool to be able to offer our clients. When I first had the opportunity to see the snow Rhino in person, I was very impressed with the overall build quality of the unit. While it's an economical piece of equipment, it is not cheaply made at all. What we found very interesting about the snow Rhino was that it was a very compact piece of equipment that would do the work of a number of people. And in a time like today, when you are getting heavy snow in Buffalo, New York, our clients need pieces of equipment that they can deploy that won't call in sick or not show up on them. A tremendous benefit of the snow Rhino is that it is very compact and easily able to be placed in the back of a pickup truck to transport from site to site. What we are finding and what our customers are telling us is that the snow Rhino has been very dependable and has been virtually trouble-free out in the field, even given the harsh conditions in which it operates. One of the many things that pleases me with Orec is it fits into our core values in terms of a machine that is durable and reliable and a piece of equipment that our customers can count on day after day.